Tired of juggling tabs and manually copying citations for every paper? Install SciSpace in 2 minutes and save hours. Here's the thing. If you are a researcher, you know the pain. You find a great paper, then you have to hunt down the citation in the right format. Maybe you open a new tab for a citation manager. Maybe you just type it out by hand. It is a huge time sink. But with the SciSpace Chrome extension, you can pull up any paper, get a summary, and grab a citation with one click. I have tested this myself, and it is a total game changer. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through exactly how to add the SciSpace extension to Chrome. We will go from opening your browser to logging into your account, step by step. Start with your browser open. Just make sure you have Google Chrome up and running. It does not matter what page you are on, just have that window ready to go. Now, look at the very top right corner of your browser window. You will see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That is the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From that menu, you want to find the option that says Extensions. Just hover your mouse over it. Do not click yet. When you hover, a smaller submenu will pop out to the side. In that submenu, you will see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. It will open a new tab in your browser. Once the store loads, look at the top left corner. There is a search bar. Click inside it and type the word SciSpace. Hit Enter or click the magnifying glass icon. A list of results will come up. You are looking for the official SciSpace extension. It should have the SciSpace logo next to it. Click on that result to open its page. Now you will see a blue button on the right side that says Add to Chrome. Click on that. A small pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm. It will list the permissions the extension needs. This is standard for extensions that work with web pages. Click the button that says Add Extension. The download will start, and it usually finishes in just a few seconds. And here is the really important part. You will now see the SciSpace icon appear in your toolbar near the top right of your browser. Click on that icon. A window will pop up asking you to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, log in with your email or Google account. If you are new, just click the Sign Up option. It is quick and free. Take a moment to fill in your details. Now that you are logged in, let me show you what this thing can do. The SciSpace icon is now active. Let us test it out. Go to any research paper online, like on PubMed or Archive. Click the SciSpace icon in your toolbar. It will open a sidebar that gives you a summary of the paper, explains key concepts, and even lets you chat with the paper to ask questions. There is a citation button right there. One click, and you have your citation in whatever format you need. APA, MLA, Chicago, it is all there. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the extension does not seem to work on a page, make sure it is pinned to your toolbar. You can do this by clicking the puzzle piece icon in Chrome, finding SciSpace, and clicking the little pin icon. If you are still having issues, try refreshing the page. And that is it. You have gone from manually hunting for papers and citations to accessing them instantly. No more copy-pasting from different tabs. No more formatting citations by hand. This one tool will save you so much time. Thanks for watching, and happy researching.